Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, managing too many files on our computers. It's a real headache, isn't it? Try to keep track of all those documents, images, and downloads can be overwhelming. But fret not, because we got a solution for you. In order to tackle this file management problem, the solution we have is to create folders and subfolders to organize your files efficiently. By grouping related files together in specific folders, you can easily locate and access them when needed. For example, you can have separate folders for work documents, personal photos, music files, and so on. This way, you'll have a clear structure in place that makes navigating through your files a breeze. Another aspect of the solution involves naming your files descriptively. What does this mean? Well, instead of having generic names like Document 1 or Image 2, try to give your files names that indicate their content. For instance, Monthly Report 2022 or Beach Vacation Photo are much more informative and will help you identify the files quickly. This simple tweak can save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run. To sum it up, managing a large number of files doesn't have to be a daunting task. By creating well-organized folders, subfolders, and naming your files appropriately, you can streamline your file management process and boost your productivity. So go ahead, implement these solutions and say goodbye to the chaos of scattered files. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, a tidy computer equals a happy user.